When the night became so heavy and the tears would never cease, when I could not find the language for the hurt inside of me. Every room felt cold and empty, every prayer felt far away, but the silence was not barren. You were there, though you were veiled. I was breathing without living, I was moving without life, trying hard to hold together, pieces shattered by the fire. Yet your mercy, like a whisper, found the cracks I could not hide. And the hands I thought had left me were the hands still by my side. Every breath you carried me, every step unseen. Now I know you never left, you were still here with me. Still here with me when I could not stand, still holding on with nail-scarred hands. When all my strength was gone away, your mercy covered me. Through every valley, every ache, you were still here with me. Still here with me, closer than the air I breathe. Jesus, through the darkest night, you were still here with me. Now the dawn is slowly breaking, and I hear your voice again. What was buried in the sorrow, you are calling back to life again. There is beauty in the healing, there is peace inside the pain. For the God who walked beside me never wasted one tear stain. Every breath you carried me, every step unseen. Now I know you never left, you were still here with me. Still here with me when I could not stand, still holding on with nail-scarred hands. When all my strength was gone away, your mercy covered me. Through every valley, every ache, you were still here with me. Oh, yeah. God who stays, still here with me, still here with me. Now I can see every broken road you used to carry me. Still here with me, my song will be Jesus. And always still here with me, still here with me, still near, Jesus with me.